subscribe to Technical Tricks and click on bell icon to see more informative videos. Hello guys, welcome to Technical Tricks. Guys, first subscribe my channel, like my video and click on bell icon to see more informative videos. So guys, today I will tell you how to download DirectX 12 because many people have DirectX 9 and 10 and 11. Many people don't know the DirectX 12. So guys, first I will tell you how to see DirectX. So guys, type DXDIAG in run option, control shutdown key plus R, then you will see this run option, and then write DXDIAG and then click on OK, and then you will see which DirectX you are using. So guys, I have not latest version, so guys, today I will tell you how to download this. So guys, see old version, DirectX version 10. So guys, now I will install DirectX 12. So guys, let's go to download latest version of DirectX. So guys, open any browser. I am opening my Chrome browser. So guys, download link in description. So guys, go to description and you will automatically went on this page. So guys, click on this icon, download, and see MSN default homepage and Windows. So guys, you will click any of these and click on no thanks, and then after this option you will see, and then click on this option, open option, then it will automatically download it, and click on I accept the agreement. So guys, we will come to setup for DirectX, and guys, install the Bing bar not. So guys, now click on this option, wait for few seconds, then you will able to click on this option. So guys, wait. Guys, wait for 1 minute, then it will automatically here. So guys, wait. So guys, see, click on finish. We have downloaded the latest version of DirectX. So guys, goodbye, thanks for watching, and guys, please subscribe my channel, and guys, please follow me on Instagram. Goodbye guys.